Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a video to help promote our website and to let you know a little bit about some of the things that we do at BestRugPrices.com. If you're searching for an area rug online, then I think that you're going to enjoy our site. We have an awesome selection of area rugs. We have rugs for pretty much every occasion, for every room in the house. We do a lot of traditional rugs, modern rugs, contemporary rugs. We have all kind of oriental rugs and kids rugs. Indoor outdoor rugs are really popular right now. We have all kind of different styles and shapes and sizes, and you name it. We pretty much have a rug for your purpose. I want to switch over to our site to tell you a little bit about us. What you're looking at is the front page of our website at again bestrugprices.com, and we just have a wealth of information on our site. And real quickly, I want to kind of show you what we're all about as I scroll down the screen here. Our site is really just a simple site. Our main page is all about area rugs. We have a lot of rugs that we separate just a real simple way in sizes. We have kids area rugs and 8x10 rugs and 6x9 rugs. And as you click these categories, then it breaks out into all the different types of styles and rugs that you're looking for. And we just have a wealth of information. What we do is we scan the internet to try to find you the best possible prices on area rugs and where to go to buy your rugs. If you've ever been searching in your local community, for area rugs, you've probably been frustrated because I'm sure you have found that your local stores have gotten out of the area rug business. You might find a few stores that have some rugs, but their selection is not very good and they're usually overpriced. So you really kind of have to go online these days to get a good selection of area rugs. And what we do is we take that buying pressure away from our customers by giving people recommendations on where to go to get the best pricing. The other part of our site is our Be Floored blog, and I'll click to that real quick. But basically, we have a blog where we talk about floor covering. We write articles on product reviews. We do cleaning and maintenance tips. We have articles on budgeting, on how to get the best pricing. We just have a wealth of information on floor covering. So if you're in the middle of a house remodel or building a new home, or you just want to redo one room in your house and you don't know where to start, we have some great articles on our blog that will really help you out. And everything is completely free. We don't charge anything. It's just there for information purposes. We'd love for you to come check us out and read some articles and maybe leave a comment or two and just let us know what you think. But I'm going to switch back to our main area rug page. And again, if you're in the market for area rugs and you don't know where to go to shop, our site is terrific for people to explore different styles of rugs and pricing, and it's a great starting point for you to start shopping. And again, we're at bestrugprices.com, and we sure hope that you come visit us and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.